last week, nagbalik na ang Mas Sarap Ka Banding tuwing Sabado.
This is Mass Singer Pilipinas Season 2!
Mahal ka na sa kahihayaan mo, piliin kita. Maghihintay pa rin pag-asa. If you listen,
Pressure mommy sa weekend, we can leave it all. Seasonally pressure upon. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! After all these years. After all these years. After all these years, you sacrificed to leave me. You took control. The sweet love, there's nothing left for me.
Ganda nun.
After all these years.
Ang ganda nun.
harap ko sa iyo ang isang alay. Nagro-rosaryo, mata niya hinagap. Umara sa may kumento, sa baba lang po sabi ng Jupe. Kasi may nanguhuli, mura pa rin ang murang alay. Walang laso, sandong kabayo, natatawa ko. Walang laso, sandong kabayo, natatawa ko. Sa'yo.
I love you， 你的笑脸就像我的春天。
Kung sakaling ibigin ay laging isipin na minsan tayo ay naging tunay na magkaibigan. Di mo maraya or still thinking me, so love me for what you intend or hope that I will be. And if you're only using me to meet your fantasy, you're meaning that love, so let me go.